What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're about to be going for a test drive in an old 1971 Chevelle. This one here has a 307 under the hood with power steering. What I like to do is take it down the road, point out any kind of flaws I can find so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. You can check out maplemotors.com for finance and shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the channel. I post videos every single day. We're also going to do a second part to this, point out any flaws all the way around the body. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around the interior. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Starts right up. Got a nice quiet motor. 87,000 miles is what it's showing on the dash. Can't stand behind that for the year that it is. The gas gauge looks like it's working. I'll let you know halfway through the video. Blower motor is working. No AC on this car. Interior looks pretty good. Got some tape on your light here. I bet it was falling out, or maybe they glued it in. All right, let's go ahead and try that horn. Horn works. Wipers work. All right, guys, let's go down the road. All right, guys, getting ready to take off down the road here. Put our seatbelt on. Anything that I see, I will point out. We're good to go here. Pretty clean little Chevelle. You can tell somebody's waxed the paint. It's all nice and shiny and smooth. I think we're good after this car here. I always end up doing these videos right at the end of the day. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. The car's got nice tight steering. It's going straight as an arrow down the road. Kick down's hooked up. Pretty quick. Let's hit the brakes. Brakes are stopping fast. Speedo's coming up. Turn signals, both of them are popping up on the dash here. Not too bad. Running and driving wise, feels nice and smooth. Very responsive. Might have to tighten up the mirror here. Same thing happens in my car. I tighten that mirror up. About a week later, it's falling down everywhere. I thought about getting a new one. Get a nice billet one or something. Gas gauge is definitely floating around from 3/4 of a tank to half a tank. So we're gonna roll over into this parking lot here, get some outside shots, and I'm probably gonna do a full walk around on this car. That way you know everything else about it. Watch both of the videos if you're interested. That way there's no questions. You can go ahead and call me if you have any questions after you watch both of the videos. Pretty much goes over everything. There's close to 100 detailed pictures of this car also at my website, which is maplemotors.com. Look below in the description to see all the gear that I use to make these videos. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do this walk around video. information and all my inventory. I also have financing and shipping options. We're getting ready to take off on that test drive. The last 30 seconds of this video, it will pop up. Click that link if you're interested, and let's go for a ride, guys. I appreciate y'all watching. Have a good one. Okay, everything seems to be good. The car's running great. Ran over my light a few times that I've been using, but I figured out how to get a shot the correct way. Well, we're heading on back to the lot now. Keep on cruising here. Let me know if you like the new location. Used it before. I think I'm gonna start using it a lot more. I like mixing it up, so. Suspension feels nice and smooth on this one, and going over everything that we started out with, the car does go straight down the road. The steering wheel is not perfectly centered, it needs to be centered up, but the steering's nice and tight. Our braking system, I mean, we're stopping fast. Kickdown's hooked up on this one. She's running clean, pulling strong. The speedo's working. Looks like we got the face to the radio in the office here. It's also got a hands-free setup. We're coming up on that road with a speed bump in it. I'm gonna hit it as fast as I can and see how smooth the ride is over it. It's coming up right here. Barely even felt that one, and this car's nice and smooth with suspension. It's like floating with a boat. Here comes our chance. We'll get the red light here. Well, we have made it back to the lot. I do appreciate y'all watching this video. If you have any questions, visit maplemotors.com. We got close to 100 detailed photos and all of our inventory. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, guys, I appreciate you riding along with me. If you have any other questions, visit maplemotors.com. I have close to 100 detailed pictures of this car, all of my inventory, financing, shipping options, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, you name it. It's on maplemotors.com. Hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, I post content every single day. We have tons of test drives that we take, and we get about 50 cars a month here at Maple Motors. Also want to thank y'all for sharing. Definitely getting these videos out there. I'm gonna go ahead and grab another car and do another test drive. Later, guys. Hey, if you want to see that walk around video, it's popping up here at the last 30 seconds of this video. Go ahead and click that link.